How can you use Google Pay under 18? I'm going to show you how you can easily use Google Pay under 18. To use Google Pay, you must be 16 years of age or older. If you are 16 or older but under 18 years of age or the legal age of your country. If greater, you must have your parent or legal guardian's permission to use Google Pay and to accept the terms. If you are a part of a Google family group, a parent or guardian can manage your account and set up a family payment method. This allows them to control your purchases and approve transactions on Google Play and other Google services. To use the Google Pay app, you must be 18 plus. Make sure that any financial transactions you engage in are compliant with local laws, which typically restrict minors from independently managing financial accounts.